Repository number 1, Virat/AI Hedge Fund. This repository, an AI hedge fund team. Here's a brief overview. The goal of this project is to explore the use of AI to make trading decisions. This project is for educational purposes only and is not intended for real trading or investment. Repository number 2, Camel AI/Camel. This repository, Camel, finding the scaling law of agents. The first and the best multi-agent framework. https://www.camel-ai.org. Here's a brief overview. We believe that studying these agents on a large scale offers valuable insights into their behaviors, capabilities, and potential risks. To facilitate research in this field, we implement and support various types of agents, tasks, prompts, models, and simulated environments. Repository number 3, GCAN/MetaGPT. This repository glowing star the multi-agent framework, first AI software company towards natural language programming. Here's a brief overview. README highlights. MetaGPT. The multi-agent framework assigned different roles to GPTs to form a collaborative entity for complex tasks. Trophy Rocket February 19, 2025. Today we are officially launching our natural language programming product, MGX, MetaGPT X, the world's first AI agent development team.